Na msitutishe sana. Ati you one term. Hata tukienda one term kwani inji itakufa?
Why waste the nation's time waiting for a second term?
Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka hihi President Ruto ari tayari kuingira githurano kia mwaka wa 2027. Tini ndina meciria maya ni economic advisor wake na former Gatundu North MP Moses Kuria.
There's not going to be an election in 2027 for presidential.
Say that again.
Yes, there's not going to be a contest.
Rigathi wa Gachagua hakoretwo akihaririria uria wothe angihota niguo kuinukia President Ruto na one term, but Ruto might not even let the 2027 election happen. Kuria akauga kampeni icio ciothe cia Gachagua ciahota kunywa mai. According to Moses Kuria, kwina hotekeku wa Ithurano mwaka wa 2027 kwaga kuhanika na politicians na Kenyans makoro makiguithaniria a way forward.
Again, sometimes I wonder if this is one term. So you make then the best use of that one term.
Kuria agitariria gitumi kia miario iyo yake augite maundu matikaire wega bururi-ini and the only way out mwaka wa 2027 no andu maikarire thi makoro magetha a way forward, akihanania maundu haria mari bururi-ini na mwaka wa 2002 when Moi akorirwo akinengera hutongoria kuri Uhuru Kenyatta, akiuga kinyagia hindi ya Kibaki na Raila ni kuiguithaniria maiguithanirie no ithurano citiakorirwo igirehe mutongoria wa bururi.
Let me ask you, 2002, yeah. Was there an election?
There was.
So it's a stamp.
Yes.
Kibaki had been to be agreed. Have you ever seen that margin again?
No.
Ilikuwa ngapi?
71
to 20 something. Yeah. Is that an election? That is almost like we almost rivaling Museveni with his 98%. So because it was a movement. Yeah. So 2027 will be another moment like 2002. There's not going to be an election in the sense that you are thinking. There's going to be so much consensus.
Miario eno ya Moses Kuria timbigeni muno kuona nduku nini hituku President William Ruto ni arakoretwo akiaria miario irahanana na iyo ya Kuria. Oroho mundu wa hakuhi muno na Ruto Oscar Sudi na riu andu makiurania uhotekeku wa miario ya Kuria ihananite neno ya President ni uriku na kana hihi no guoya urenderio a Kenya niguo makoro makiona uria 2027 maundu matagakorwo makihanika ta kawaida, kana hihi ni guoya marakiingiria ni undu wa gemishi kuyoshia one term.
Na msitutishe sana. Ati you one term. Hata tukienda one term kwani inji itakufa?
Going to be an election in 2027 for presidential.
Say that again.
Yes, there's not going to be a contest.
Why waste the nation's time waiting for a second term merely because you are working on difficult things? Why don't you finish the difficult things now?